Queens, welcome back to a daily vlog. It's been a while. It's been like 2 weeks. I know I'm behind. The Amazon thing has got me working double time, but I'm back on my schedule. This video should go up this Wednesday, and it's going to be an updated tour of my closet and my studio because those are really the only places that have furniture in them. So let's get into it. If you're wondering, I'm wearing a sleepers pajama set. I'll flip you around and show you. In pink, I think it's exclusive to Intermix. I will link it below if you're interested. I love these pajamas. And makeup is the usual. Oh, I have switched my lip to NYX. I used to wear this all the time and I just stopped. And since we've been wearing masks, like glossy lips just ain't cutting it. So I needed to go back to a matte. So I use the lip lingerie. I use a brown liner, and then I use both of these in color 7 and 18 if you're interested. I think that's everything. Masoma jewelry, I'll link it below. I think that's everything. So if you're new here, welcome. I've recently moved into our first home, me and my husband, and the back 2 rooms I use for work. So one is my closet and one is my studio space where I film my YouTube videos, create any content for Instagram or TikTok or my blog, all that jazz. So I'm gonna give you an updated tour because I got a lot more furniture since I think the last time you saw it. I had nothing in this room but my rack and I think maybe one IKEA unit in there for my closet. So without any more rambling, let's get into the video. Oh, first let me show you my outfit and then we'll get into it. So before we get started, here is my outfit. This is the sleeper pajamas with the little fur. And I got the pink color and I believe it's exclusive to Intermix. But of course, I will link it and I always get a size medium if you're curious. So let's get to it. Okay, so first up is the closet, which is pretty much almost complete. These are IKEA units. I'll just stand in front of this one. So I have 3 IKEA PAX units, and they are the tallest height. I'll leave the specifics in the description box, but I have the tallest height, and then these 2 are the widest width. Let me turn up the, there we go. Okay, so these 2 are the widest width, and then that's like the middle width. And then I just did shelves across the top, and then bars all across. I really wanted it more streamlined. And then I have this first section has a pull-out rack for my jeans. And then I just have shoes at the bottom. And then all of my blazers here. And then kind of hats at the top. And then here I have just all of my tops and any kind of like light jackets. I kept 1 pull-out drawer instead of 2. So I have my jewelry and sunglasses in here. And then this first drawer, these are all pretty much sweaters. These are the updated drawers. So I did buy these new. And I threw out the old drawers because they were just old. But they did come out with this new kind of like panel detail, which makes it look a little more custom. And I just have like the skirts in there and then sweaters in the rest of these drawers. So that's that unit. And then this is kind of for my long hanging things. So any pants that aren't jeans, and then all of my dresses are here. And then room for any shoes at the bottom. So I do have shoes at the bottom of both of these. And then the rest of my like summery shoes are just in storage. And then moving over here is kind of the new addition and what looks different compared to my last closet. I wanted to separate my shoes from all of the clothes because it just looked really cluttered before. So now I just have like handbags and shoes together, which just makes it easier to kind of like match things. And I tried to color coordinate things, but it was kind of difficult. So these are still the tallest units, but they are not as deep or more shallow. And then they're the smallest ones, I think. Maybe not the smallest, maybe the middle. again, details will be below. So this side is basically all of the kind of like blacks and whites. So I tried to do shoes and bags that way. And then more of like browns and tans and whites. So I guess this is mainly black over there. Black and gray. Black and gray. And then browns and whites. And then everything that's pretty much colorful over here. So that's pretty much that. And then I have my 2 totes down here. And then there's a closet over here. And this is where I keep my coats. I've always kept my coats separate, even in my old closet. So that is where all of my kind of like heavy coats are. And then a few more shoes are in there for winter. And then again, I also have like summer sandals, like some scarves up there. But I also have summer sandals that are in another closet, just kind of like put away because I won't. So this is pretty much everything. Let me give you one last little look of the closet. And then what I still want to add, I do have a mirror on the way from Wayfair that's going to go here. And then I'm debating about either doing an island in the middle, because as you can see, there's a good amount of space. So I could either do an island or do some type of seating. I'm not sure. Leave any suggestions below. And then if we go across the hall here, don't mind the junk in the hallway. This is my little studio. So this is, again, where I create content, film, and also do my makeup. So what's new in here is this little setup. There was nothing here before. So this sofa is from CB2 and the tables. I actually have a 3rd table being delivered today, but they're taking a while, so I need to film. That mirror is going to get hung up and kind of just be like off-centered, which I just really like because it'll be a little interesting. And those are just some little knickknacks over there that I want to do something with. I found at an antique store. All of the kind of like details on the table, everything is from At Home or Home Goods. That's a little Hermes book I found at Home Goods, which is like a find. And then these coffee table books as well. The bottom one is a home decor book. The top one is a Vogue on location book. But everything was found at Home Goods or At Home. And then this little fuzzy throw, I believe, was found at TJ Maxx. And then I just have my notebook and my laptop holder there. Still haven't put the ceiling rose up. That's what that is. Or the chandelier. But that's a new update. So this is kind of where I can shoot, or just where I work from right now, since we don't have the office set up. And then in there is where I keep all of my like ring lights, equipment, extra storage, my summer shoes, all that jazz. This is the same rack I had before. So those are just clothes. I'll be filming that stuff later. That's a Zara haul. So coming soon. And then on this side, I still have this big mirror, which I think I'm going to just paint gold, because since I have that mirror, I don't want something super ornate, because it will just be competing. So I may just paint this gold and leave it there. And then over here, we have the vanity. So this is where I get ready every day. This is an antique gem that I found at a store here. And then I found the chair at a different antique store, which I'm very excited about. We are in the process of refurbishing this chair. So we just kind of painted it this color. We spray painted it. And then I found this fabric that I'm going to attach to it. And then this, we kind of like touched up the paint, touched up the gold paint. And I love it. So this whole thing came all together. And then I found these flowers at, I want to say Michael's. And then you guys, I showed you those on the last vlog. This little thing I found at an antique shop just to put my brushes in. And then this mirror is from Anthropologie. So that's what I look in to do my makeup every day. And these drawers do open. So I kind of have shelf liner in them. And then I have all of my makeup. That's my everyday makeup, but I do have this extra storage for makeup. So I love that. Super special. Such a special find. So I really, really like it. and don't mind that junk. And then I am going to get curtains at some point, like really sheer curtains. But yeah, that is the studio. Okay, so before I go, I wanted to update you. I just got the third table. So as you can see, it's a little higher, that one over there. So I could make it a trio here, but I'm not sure yet because I mean, there's a lot of room in the middle of the floor, but this is also where I do like all of my styling videos in the mirror, and like I need that room to kind of work, and I don't know if I want to be pushing the table back and forth every time. So right now I just have it over here as like a side table, and I moved the flowers that were on the vanity just because it felt a little cluttered. So, oh, and this little picture is just from an antique store where I found this same mirror, and I found that little green thing. So let me know what you think. Don't mind the popcorn. I was literally just working here. And that was my lunch. So that's what it looks like right now. The idea is that the big gold mirror will be up here, and then I will get a lamp to go right there. Something that kind of is dramatic and fills up that space. I really want this stunning feather lamp, but it's like $10,000. So I'm looking for a dupe right now. But if not, there'll be some type of gold situation here that can fill up that space, because I can't put the table there because I need to have access to that closet. So that's that. And then you can kind of see this just looks a little more kind of like clean and not too, you know, it was looking a little cluttered. So I feel like that looks way better now. And just like I have all of the space to just do my makeup. And we just need to finish the chair. And that's pretty much everything. Again, let me know if you have any questions below on anything. Okay, bye. All right, so that is the update. I know this was a super quick video, but I wanted to kind of keep you guys informed along this journey. Again, I'm waiting on a second table, and then I'm still waiting on the mirror in the closet. Still need curtains. I still need to hang up mirrors. There's a lot that still needs to happen. We need to finish this chair. So let me know if you have any questions about what I showed. So far today, we still don't have any of the furniture for downstairs. Still waiting on the sofa, still waiting on the office stuff. We haven't even ordered the dining room stuff. Still waiting on the kitchen table and chairs. So yeah, I'll update you in vlogs as more furniture comes in. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Of course, if you stuck around for this quick video, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Highlowluxxe, read my blog, highlowluxxe.com. Follow me on TikTok for daily outfit inspiration. I think that's everything. Sign up for alerts to my Amazon The Drop collection. If you did not know, I'm coming out with a collection. It's actually there behind me. I'm going to be sharing it like next week. But I have an 8-piece collection coming out with Amazon in a few weeks. So if you want to be alerted when it drops, sign up below. Okay, thanks for stopping by. See ya.